Oh, there is the baby bird. He can't fly. Oh, something happened. Oh my God. Are you okay? Are you okay? You can't fly? This is a bird in my garden. I think he's for. I think he is look for his parents, mom or dad. Oh, they left in here. I don't know which way it's coming from. Uh, oh, oh my God. Come on, can I help you? Can I help you? Look at this Khadija.
Can I help?
This bird, look, baby bird. I
Abby?
don't know what's the name. Do you know what's the name, Khadija?
No. Can you go in the house?
No,
Can I
this
go
is
to
no, no. I think he can. I think the bird, baby bird. I think he's baby, ne?
Yes.
Look, oh, he's doing the poo.
Oh, I can't fly.
Oh, he can fly. Where is he now?
He's there.
There he is. He came here. He came here now. I think it's can't fly. Any Khadija?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, he only looks, in it.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not going to do to you anything. I'm trying to helping you. Okay. 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 Now he's come back here again. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, is that? Do you think it's fly?
I don't know.
Kaisa,
Hmm?
can you go forward? Oh my God, I'm sorry. Oh, he's only walking, Khadija.
Yeah.
Huh? What do you think, Khadija? Khadija, what do you think? Look at me. Do you think the bird can fly?
No.
Something wrong, isn't it? I think it's a baby bird. He's looking for his parents, right? Uh, do you think Pfizer? I think it's look. I think it's his calling
His mum.
his mom
Yeah.
or dad. Yes. I'm sorry.
They live there.
Where?
In a hole. Look.
No. Do you think the nasty in here somewhere? Pfizer? Nasty.
Nasty.
Yeah. Where's gone? Where is gone? Where is gone?
It's there.
Where is it now? Where is it now? Where is it now?
No.
Where?
No.
Let's see. Let's see.
Up.
Oh, there he is. Kaza, move your hand. Move your hand. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Can you give it bread?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You lost your parents. Uh-huh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry you lost your parents. Oh, where is it now?
It's going over here. I'll take it.
Oh. Oh. Are you hungry? 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 Oh, yeah, hungry. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, what can I give you? Okay, are you hungry? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, he's came to me now. Khadija. It's going to you now, yes? Ah. Where are you, Khadija?
I'm here.
Where?
Yeah. I'm scared now.
Where is it now?